Afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, last day of the month. Tuesday, October the 31st, 2023. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle 12 by 12 and the killer Sudoku regular puzzles. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles in additional are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have here Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Cypher Block. In Japanese, Suguru, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them, I will solve in the evening. But first, these two regular puzzles. The first one is the binary puzzle. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that the border in between Egypt and Gaza will be open. That's good news, because people want to get out that Gaza Strip. Yes. All right, the first binary puzzle will be number 7364. 7364. Need a red pencil. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 36 printed digits. And I've told you it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 6 O's and 6 1's. In a row or in a column, there's always 6 O's and 6 O's. 1's, yes. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Oh, apologies, bumped the camera. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And we have here double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And now, yeah. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, the 6th O. This box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I cannot place number 6 there. Otherwise, we have 4 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Now we have a double O here. Here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So that's the O's. Let me think. 2, 3, 4. Come on. Between two O's comes in one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have 3 rows, completed rows, and 2 completed columns. How about this one? Double O, no. Double O here. More difficult. How about this one? This one. And this one. Let me compare. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Well, these 3 and those 3 empty boxes. We need a 1 here. I cannot place the O. Well, I need. I need more information here. If I place, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, then I have identical columns. Yeah. So this box should be an O then. And the 1 and an O, yeah, that's the question. Where can I put the 1 and the O here? Okay. How about this row? 11, yeah. This row. That row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Come on, come on. This one is not easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5, 6, 6. We have a double O here. No. Come on. This is not easy. Double O. Well. Where is the opening? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one there. Well. This one is a hard one, and it's already 11 minutes past. 2, 4, 5. Yeah. Cannot find the opening here. Where is the opening? Where's the opening? We have a double O here. Here we have a double O. 01. This is not the same. Not the same. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 5 ones in this row. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Here I cannot fill this yet. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. And an O between an O and a 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. First O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So this box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So rest are O's. Alright. Yeah. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, now, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to compare again. Yeah. Cannot compare this column, I believe. Double 1, 0, 1. Double 1, 0, 1. No. How about the double O's? Do we have a double O here? Yeah, double O. This is not the same. We have a double 1 here. No, it's not the same. But the double 1 and a double O here. Double O, 1, 1. O, yes. This one and that one. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be 0. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So that's the O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet in a minute with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.